Hello, brothers and sisters. Myself, Advocate Shakil Ahmed, and I am before you to take your issues a step forward in this pandemic situation. Nowadays, one of the problem which is prevailing at large is a problem of fees of schools and colleges. The parents are facing a great hardship for school fees and colleges fees, especially the technical institutions who are taking handsome amount from the students are not cooperating in this pandemic situation with the citizens of India. And I am of the view that if the average citizen will kept a finger on his lips, then who will raise the voice against the inactions of the institutions? By the way of this video, I am taking a initiative for the students who are facing the hardships regarding the studies and for the futures, especially medical colleges, private medical colleges are forcing the students to deposit the tuition fees and the hostel and mess fees. Tuition fees, which is prescribed by the authorities, is somewhat different. But the fee which the college is demanding is something different. Means the difference is of lakhs. There is no way. There is no way, and there is not the sources also to earn in this pandemic situation, because our country is also facing the economic crisis. Financial crisis are there. GDP is going down to down, but the colleges are not changing their views. They are creating a pressure on the parents. They are creating a pressure on the students to deposit the fee. Since the awakening of the COVID-19, the hostels got vacant. Hostels got vacated by the authorities. No student is willing to reside in the hostel in this critical condition. My brother, Mr. Jishan Mirza, who is sitting next to me, is a president of a trust. And for you guys, he is going to fight and raise your voice before the state government and before the Honorable High Court. Mr. Jishan Mirza.
मैं ज़ीशान मिर्ज़ा क़ादरी तहफ़्फ़ुज़ नामुस रिसालत एक्शन ट्रस्ट का प्रेसिडेंट हूँ। मेरे संज्ञान में ट्रस्ट द्वारा स्कूल और कॉलेजों की फ़ीस को लेकर धन उगाही की तस्वीर सामने लाई गई है, जिस पर सर्वसम्मति से इस मसले की पड़ताल की गई तो पता चला कि फ़ीस के मामले में लखनऊ के प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज की सरकशी सामने आई है, जिसे पता चला कि नीट काउंसलिंग के वक्त जो फीस निर्देशक द्वारा निर्धारित की गई थी, उसमें लाखों की बढ़ोतरी करके विद्यार्थियों को डराकर अभिभावकों को इस महामारी के दौर में दबाव बनाकर धन उगाही करने का प्रयास चल रहा है, जबकि इस कोरोना काल में देश की अर्थव्यवस्था पूरी तरह चरमरा चुकी है। मेरी लड़ाई प्राइवेट कॉलेजों की दकियानूसी सिस्टम के खिलाफ है, जिसके लिए आपकी आवाज़ सरकार तक पहुंचानी है और माननीय उच्च न्यायालय के समक्ष जनहित याचिका प्रस्तुत करके संविधान की रक्षा भी करनी है। नो हॉस्टल, नो फीस।
At last, my request to you all is to support us. We are for you. We are for you, and we will raise your voice without giving any name of the student and without disclosing any name of the student. It will be kept confidential. It will be kept confidential. So please faith us and come forward and join us and make our mission successful. Thank you.